What's up guys, Freckle here. Every year around the second week of September, Apple will release the new iPhone. Last year in 2020, Apple had launched 4 different models. That's the iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yes, currently there are so many rumors about the upcoming iPhone 13 series. First, the model name. The name this time should be iPhone 13, iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yes, I got this model. Holding them in hands for the first time, we see that they are similar size, appearance, design, and specifications. Of course, the line-up, the flat line, and everything with the last year's iPhone, it makes sense. They stick with one design for multiple years. Okay, let's back to the new coming iPhone 13 Pro Max. First, the color. There are 4 different colors for the previous iPhone 12 Pro Max. That's graphite, silver, Pacific blue, and gold. As we all know, Apple has the tradition to release some new colors for every new iPhone series. This makes better sales and hotter topics. Now we assume that Apple will launch 2 new colors for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yes, the rose pink and the orange. It's so beautiful. I think it features on female. The orange looks great. It's similar like the orange color for the previous iPhone XR, right? Pacific blue is very popular last year, so I think the rose pink and orange will be very hot for the upcoming iPhone 13 Pro Max as well. Second, the charging port. The ports technically are not a new thing since we have seen it for many years, but there is a rumor that Apple would get rid of the charging port here. That means the iPhone 13 would be totally portless and wireless. Personally, the massive ecosystem is not quite ready for total wireless, though there are so many massive accessories out there in the market. The fact is, wireless charging cannot beat wired charging in terms of the charging speed currently, but who knows in the future. Without the port, the new iPhone looks more futuristic and united. We are waiting for that new function. Alright, another thing is the camera. iPhone camera competition becomes more and more fierce. People want to take photos or shooting videos by the cell phone, and many manufacturers pay more attention to the camera design and improvements. It has bigger camera, and some rumors say that the camera can be customized as pro customers request. There are 3 big cameras in the back, but they work better due to brand new A15 chipset, which has 20% improvements compared to the last A14 chipset. Frankly, I'm eager to see the greater photographer and video ability of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's talk about the screen. Yeah, the smaller notch in the top. Different from the previous iPhone, the notch had been reduced to much smaller here, and it looks better. There are still lots of components here in this area, including the Face ID light sensor, front camera sensor, etc. But they make it smaller and improve the whole screen's display effect. That's great. Besides, it said the screen will be in 120 Hz refresh rate. Finally, Apple fans have been waiting for this for so long time. Cheers! Besides the new A15 chipset and iOS 15 software, I'm sure that will make the new iPhone 13 series greater than ever. Alright, That's all about this video. Let me know your ideas about the new upcoming iPhone 13 series, or what's your expectations for it. See you next time in my next video. Peace.